Dear student, this is Kamrun Nahar, your science miss. Today I am going to discuss about chapter 13, environment and pollution. We know that environment is composed of living and non-living things. Under living things, animal and plant kingdom exist, and pollution means interruption of the balance between the living and non-living factors. So, it is clear what is environment and pollution. Then, we are going to our next topic, causes of pollution of environmental elements, soil pollution, water pollution. We will discuss these topics. Now, causes of pollution of environmental elements. We know that environment is composed of mainly two components, that is living and non-living component. Plants and animals constitute the living factors, and non-living elements are soil, water, and air and other non-living materials on earth. Basically, if the balance between the non-living and living factors destroyed, then we call the pollution occur in the environment. Basically, there are some reasons are responsible for environmental pollution. Basically, human activities are responsible for environmental pollution. We know that the population are increasing day by day, so the demand of food, shelter, and transport are also increasing. To satisfy their need, different sort of activity is occurring. So, increase of population is one of the most important factor for environmental pollution. Now come to the second point, deforestation. Deforestation is very important thing because for food, shelter and transport, people are cutting forest or destroying forest. To enhance the size of cultivable land and building their houses, people are destroying forest, and so the total balance of the environment or ecological balance is disturbed, so the pollution occur. Now, increase of carbon dioxide. We know that carbon dioxide is very important component of atmosphere. Animals exhale carbon dioxide and plant intake carbon dioxide. Due to the deforestation, the number of plant is also being less. So the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is going rising day by day. So the temperature of the earth is also rising. In addition, I am saying CFC gas is also important for environmental pollution. This gas is released due to AC, refrigerator, aerosol, and other things. CFC is responsible for destroying our all types of ozone layers and different type of healthy disease. Now, due to the modernization, civilized people are doing industrialization activities. Due to industrialization, modernization also occurring, digitalization also occurring, and for development of whole world, industrialization is basically focused, but unplanned and unsustainable ways are used for industrialization. Improper and uncontrolled industrial establishment is responsible for our environmental pollution. We see that in locality there are different types of small industries, and where the industry is growing, people are occupying in that places, so the total environment becomes polluted. Now, soil pollution. Soil is part an essential part of environment. Soil pollution as a part of land degradation is caused by the presence of xenobiotic. This is a very new term. Xenobiotic means human made chemicals or other alteration in the natural soil environment. Okay, when the component of soil is disturbed or balance in the soil is disturbed, then the soil pollution occur in normal sense. But the situation or reason is xenobiotic activities. Xenobiotic activities is responsible for soil pollution. Now, causes of soil pollution. It is typically caused by industrial activity, agricultural chemicals, or improper disposal of waste. Garbage, fertilizers, fungicides used in agricultural land and industrial waste. So, people are using different types of chemicals or fertilizer for the uh, improved amount of harvesting for their food need and for their shelter and for their basic needs. So people are not using these agricultural chemicals or pesticides in proper way or in proper amount. Basically they got the amount of food or amount of harvest in in more number or more amount, but for generation it is not sustainable. They are not using it in proper way. They are not thinking that these chemicals may absorb in the groundwater and it will also responsible different type of health disease. Now come to garbage, fertilizer, fungicides used in agricultural land and industrial waste. This industrial waste is another thing for soil pollution because industrial waste that is excreted from the industry, these are not recycled. These are directly thrown to the soil and thus the soil got polluted and it loses the fertilizer. Now another important component of environment is water. Water is our life, we know that. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. That means water pollution is also the responsibility of human activity. Water bodies includes lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers and groundwater. Water pollution results when contaminants are introduced into the natural environment. That means when different types of contaminants or pollutant come to the environment or or push into the water, put into the water, then the total water get polluted. And if polluted water is intake by animal or other human bodies, it causes different sort of diseases. Water pollution may be occurred by various ways. Human activities are main causes. Due to urbanization and industrialization, sewage and industrial waste have increased. As a result, water is being polluted. Now, what are the main causes for water pollution? Urbanization and industrialization, improper use of insecticides and chemical fertilizer, bamboo, cane, and jute plants are immersed in ponds, cow, buffalo, and goats are washed in water, unsafe latrine are erected over the water bodies, floods, household or domestic activities. Now, I am explaining one by one. Urbanization and industrialization. For modern life and standard life, we are going to urbanization and industrialization. Earlier, I have said that people are making shelter, food, and destroying different type of natural resources. One of the natural resource is our water. It is very important. It is our life. We are doing urbanization and industrialization in unsustainable way in and unplanned way. So it also affect in the total environment. Now, improper use of insecticides and chemical fertilizers. People are using insecticides and chemicals fertilizer in improper way. They are not using it in proper concentration. Ultimately, the groundwater also become polluted. Bamboo, cane, and jute plants are immersed in ponds. So the pond water gets polluted. Bacteria attack in those plants and total water become smelly, and also it is very much unhygienic for health. Cow, buffalo, and goats are washed in water. In that water, people are also washing their clothes and also taking water for cooking and also bathing, and these also ultimately affect on human health. Unsafe latrines are erected over water bodies. This is a common picture of Bangladesh, and it is very much unhealthy for total environment. Then come to flood. Every year, flood occurs. During flood, excreta of domestic animals and birds, along with human feces, mixes up with water and polluted it. This is completely dangerous for human health, because during flood, different types of water-related disease occur. Household or domestic activities. This is basically happened by the women, because women are involved in household activities and they throw decomposed bodies of animals, various degradable substance, vegetables, leftover foods, fields, waste, etc. into the water directly. So the total water is polluted in this way, and human is basically responsible for water pollution. Now, what are the effects of water pollution? Different types of disease occur. We know that this in human, drinking or consuming polluted water in any way has many disastrous effects on our health. It causes typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, and various other diseases. And the ecosystem, we know that, are extremely dynamic and respond to even small changes in the environment. So water ecosystem, that means the ecosystem that exists in water, also disturbed due to water pollution. Different type of microorganism to fish are disturbed due to this water pollution. So thank you everybody. I hope this lecture will be helpful for your study. Thanks everybody.